Hello, welcome back to our Oracle Cloud Infrastructure series. Today we're going to demystify OCI pricing and cost management, and you're going to take this as an essential aspect for efficiently managing your cloud resources. So OCI offers a competitive and transparent pricing model. It's designed to provide cost efficiency whether you're running small scale application or large enterprise applications. Now, if you want to see exactly what is the basic list price, so remember list price, if you go and search for OCI cost estimator, on this page you'll be able to see the fully daily updated list price of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure services. Okay, so you're gonna go, you'll be redirected to this page, and in here you can start creating your own bill of material based on the data that you need. Okay, so this is the second generation of this bill of material solution, cost estimator. And if you want to take, let's start creating a virtual machine. I want to see the price for a virtual machine. I will choose between the different shape that I want to use. AMD, Ampere, or Enter. I'm a fan of AMD. In here, let me go with the latest AMD price. So let's take it. One CPU of E5 is $34. One CPU of E4, it's a little bit cheaper. But if you take the performance test, you're gonna see what is best for you. So this is also important. Now, if you go, you also see E3 Flex. E3 Flex has the same price as the E4. So that means the prices for the processors, they increased a little bit. Now, if we move to Intel shapes, okay, so we're gonna select on standard Flex. The price for one CPU, it is very close to the one that is for the E5 from AMD. So let me go back to AMD, select the E5. And in here, let's say not dense IO shapes. Let's go with an E1 with one processor, 8 GB of RAM, and I will run autonomous Linux on the machine. And I want to go on demand, because then I don't want to use the preemptible part or capacity reservation at this point. Also, the machine, let's say we're gonna have, I will extend, I only have one boot volume of 50 GB and a block volume of another 50 GB, very small application. I'm also going with the free tier. Okay, so I have this part in here now. So I have a virtual machine with block storage with AMD 10 CPU, and I add the configuration. Now, because I want to use this configuration, what I can do next, I want to connect maybe to a base database, Oracle database, not the autonomous, but I will create also an autonomous to understand what is the difference in the prices. Now, based on my need, an enterprise edition, it's a very let's say complete database with the functionalities of Oracle databases. So maybe for me as a beginner starting to learn, a standard is more than enough. So because this is for learning and I don't need too much data, the same I'll go with a small database, one CPU, only for Flex, and 16 GB of RAM, and I don't need more than 256 GB of database. Now I will let the storage to go on high performance. Okay, so that means the storage will be $42. The price for the machine itself and also for the licenses for using Oracle database, it's $159 per month. And with the other part in here, so I get to a total of $236 until now. So I have a virtual machine. What I can do, let's say I don't like only one virtual machine, I'll click in here, I'll go to 2 instances that will run 24/7. And one thing that I'm missing at this point is a load balancer, for a basic environment. So in here, I will select a category, I will go to the networking part, and I will also put a layer 7 load balancer, because the network load balancer, it is free of charge. So I'll go with one base, load balancer, and let's say bandwidth, I can go, let's say, to 100 megabytes. Small application, test application, and this is the price. And another thing that I also want to use it, because you know you have a load balancer, why not use the capability and the security part that comes with the OCI? So I'll go to the security, and from here I will select a web application firewall. Okay, that comes. I will not add additional services like vulnerability and so on this bill of material because it's free of charge. Yeah, so I will have one firewall instance. Let's say I will have at least 2 million requests for my website. So I'm still in the free tiering prices. But in here, let's say I will go with 2 web application firewalls. So one WAF instance is $5. Let's say I will have 3 million, I think 10 million would get me some prices. Oh wait, yeah, okay, so I think 20, yeah. So after 10 million new free requests, yeah, you're gonna go and pay something like this. So yeah, very cheap. And at the end, with $300 per month, I can even run production grade environment on OCI. At the end, after